most agents only have knowledge of one state, one city, one location. So I'm going to tell you this is going to be a business decision. I am anti hold multiple sales license. I'm licensed as a managing broker in Illinois. I'm also licensed as a broker in Indiana. I know nothing about Indiana. And it hit me that I make money off of referrals to Indiana, but I've never physically sold a property in Indiana. Therefore, because I'm already licensed in Illinois, I can do a referral anywhere in the world and receive a referral fee. It splits your time when you decide that you want to hold multiple state licenses and you can believe in your mind that you can service all the same way. I don't need multiple state licenses. I need one license, and then I make the most money because I've built a global referral network. So I don't take time away from Illinois or Chicago. I find experts in those markets and I don't deviate my time or my attention. So there are people who they have multiple licenses and I've noticed they don't make the most money because now they're splitting that time. It might be more advantageous for them to refer that other business out and not get that additional state license to sell.